Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, we have two job openings to discuss, one from the HP, another from EPAM. So basically the jobs that I'm going to present today is like applicable for the high school graduates, okay, high school passed out students. With if you are +2, then you have a job here. If you're a graduate, then you have a job here. And CTC ranges from around 4, okay, 4 LPA. So please do watch this video till the very end to know about it and apply it at the earliest. Okay, so before getting into a channel, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So once you activate the bell icon, please enable the option all so that you get the notifications regarding any kind of videos we upload. Okay, so let's start with the EPAM first. So EPAM is hiring for the application support engineer, and this is only for 2021 graduate. Okay, whereas for the HP, it is for any graduate criteria, any batch criteria. Okay, so let's say that the last day to apply is on January 16th, so only few days left, so make sure you apply it at the earliest. Okay, so let's see the detail, like what is the eligibility criteria, everything. So before that, I have very exciting updation from Online Study for You to share. That is the master class on puzzles for Infosys examination. Okay, this is a 3 days class. It's going to start from 15th of this month and ending date on 17th of this month. So in these 3 days, Pratik sir will be discussing like more than 200 puzzles and previous year question papers. Everything will be covered by Pratik sir. Okay, so Pratik sir is having immense experience in this industry and like training a lot of students, and so many of them are working in Infosys as of now. You might have went through the posts that we usually used to share from our students. So this will definitely help you a lot if you're seriously considering the Infosys opportunity. Okay, so whole of this package is available to you at just rupees 99, just 99. So in this 99, you will be getting a complete on that. So you can take the link from the description and apply it. So Infosys has a hiring cycle for 2019, 20, 21st and 22nd batches. So this will be helpful for them. You can take this class and study well, and once an opportunity comes, you can grab it at the earliest. Okay, so this is it. All this will be contents will be available offline, and doubts can be resolved in chat. You can contact him and do that. Then your own pace, you can learn it, and you can see the course is valid for 3 months. So 3 months you'll be getting the courses as well. Okay, so this is it. The link will be there in the description, so you can take it from there and apply to the earliest. Okay, so let's discuss about the EPAM, the eligibility criteria. So this is only for 2021 graduates, and education qualification will be BE, BTech in the specialized branches like CSE, IT, and ECE, MCA, MSc, then CSE, that is MSc in CSE branch. Okay, with minimum of 60% academic scores from graduate 10 to the highest graduation, that is 10, 12, and graduation, you should maintain a 60% of academic score. Okay, now, experience is none, that is no experience required. If you're ready to develop your career in application support, then this is fine. Job locations will be any of the EPAM offices like Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Gurgaon, etc. Training location will be Hyderabad, and hiring process will be like one round of online assessment, after that followed by the group discussion, then technical and HR interview. Okay, so after, if you're eligible for that, then they will be sharing, like if you're eligible for the online assessment, they'll be sharing the online assessment details. After, when you qualify that, they'll be sharing the GD later things, and after they sharing that, HR technical interview details will be shared. Okay, now the CTC offer is 4 lakhs per annum plus the standard benefits. Okay, along with that, so 4 plus LPS is what they offer. And if you selected an offer, you will be assigned to AMS and IMS practice. So this is it. So if you click on this, you will get to know the job description. Okay, what all things that you will be doing. So just save this PDF for later use. Okay, because the thing is, once you go for the interview, okay, the interviewer will make sure that this description is well known to you. They want you to know, are you fit for this role? So you need to talk about this description. You need to tell like, okay, I'm looking for this. Okay, you have that. Okay, that's how it works. So make sure you have a great look on these responsibilities and descriptions. Okay, so this is it. And now next you can see the online coding assessment will be starting from 18th of January and joining date on Feb 2. So you will have only few time left. So once you apply, start preparing for the same, and illustration process on 16th of January. Okay. So whole of this will be like online process will be conducted online, and you can see trainings will be conducted for offered candidates for the first 2 to 3 months at Hyderabad office. In case this office is reopened and lockdown is lifted due to COVID, else online training will be over Microsoft Teams. Okay, so it depends upon the timing. Now, to apply for that, you can fill this form. Every details is provided. Just fill this details, your education, your current state of residence and everything. Then how do you got to know about it? You can give that. Are you currently employed in your organization? You can give that. Okay, so if it refreshes, just put it no. Okay, so I think the details of the EPAM is pretty much clear. So anyone who is applicable, like okay with this eligibility criteria and all, please do apply to the earliest. Okay, before that. Okay, everything they have mentioned in this too. So I will leave the link for that so you can have a look at it and apply it at the earliest. Okay. So here you can see we offer experience exchange with colleagues all around the world, competitive compensation depending on experience and skills, regular assessment and salary reviews, social package, medical career supports, family, opportunities for self-realization, friendly team and enjoyable working environment, flexible working schedule, then corporate and social events. So this is very good opportunity indeed. So make use of this. And in requirements they have mentioned, you should have a degree experience or problem solving, communication, relationship building, analytical and critical thinking skill, understand business priorities and business logic. 24/7 support. Members should be flexible to work in 3 different shifts as per project roster. So they have 3 shifts in total, like covering 24 hours. So according to that, you should be able to work. Okay. So let's come back to this. So take from the link and apply it at this list. So next we have an opening from HP to discuss. So HP opening is at location Bangalore and it's just posted on 7th of this month. So they are still looking for the applicants. So once they are saturated with the applications, they will withdraw the link. So before that you apply. Okay. So this is for technical support executive representative. So here the education experience is like, if you're a high school education, if you have a high school education, then or equivalent education, then you should have 6 months to 1 year of experience in customer facing or customer supporting environment. But in case if you are a graduate, then you can apply it. If you're a fresher too, you can apply. Okay, so that's what they mean by high school education or equivalent. To adequately perform the duties of the job, individuals must possess a minimum 6 months to 1 year general experience or required college education. Okay, so I think my definition is clear. So this is the education eligibility criteria. And knowledge skills they have mentioned, you should be good at your written and verbal communication skill, then customer facing, like in face-to-face, remote, whatever, then computer proficiency with the applications such as Microsoft Office, CAD, Adobe, programming, etc. Then demonstrate problem solving, accuracy in data entry, excellent fluency in language to be supported, experience in phone-based remote role, e-support, e-chat, or something. So most of us during your graduation, we must have gone for some part-time jobs in customer support environment. So this will help you, that education or that experience will help you. Then desirable knowledge in call routing, case management, etc. Okay, so that is, if you have this, is very good, and if you don't have, it's completely fine. They can train up to that and get it. Okay, so this is the knowledge requirements and skill. So coming to the CTC point of view, here the starting CTC provided for this HP for this role will be 3 plus LPS, but it can vary. Like if you are a high school student, then you will be getting around 2.6 or 3 accordingly. Okay, so it can vary. So this is the average estimation of the CTC provided. Okay. So I think it's very clear. So to know about what all jobs that you'll be performing there, you can just go through these responsibilities. Okay, so these are the things that you'll be carrying out there. So just go through that and know about it. So basically you'll be providing technical support to the customer. So that is how it looks. So to apply for that, you can click on this apply now button and continue with the application. So you need to log in. If you have already a profile, you can use the same profile by making necessary changes to the profile, customization to the profile for this particular role. If you don't have, you can start a fresh new profile, upload your resume with a customized resume to this particular opening, and your personal information, education details. If you have any work experience, part-time or full-time, whatever, you can go with that. And after that, submit your profile. Okay. And have a constant look at your mail, because they may reply to you over mail, or they can call you and go for the next selection process. So have a look at the mail and give every details accurately. Okay. So this is it. This is how you apply for this job. So log in and give all these details and apply to the earliest. Okay. So once more reminding you regarding the EPAM, the last day to apply is on 16th of January. So please do apply to the earliest. And this for the HP, they haven't mentioned about any date. So apply to the earliest, they can withdraw the link at any time. Okay. So friends, if you have any further doubts or anything regarding any suggestions regarding the video content, please do mention in the comment section. We'll definitely come up with the content that you are requesting. Okay. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.